remove the keel, which is Mustang P-51 fuselage's outer surface. Alongside, remove the formers from F1 to F11. Attach the formers to the corresponding slots on the keel, starting from F8 and continuing it to F1. Also place F9 between F4 and F5. Align F10 and F11 at the respective bottom slots of the fuselage. Remove the stringers from the assembly material. Attach them into the slots provided in the formers, starting from F1 to F8. Attach stringers from F1 to F3. Similarly, run the stringers from F10 to F8 to complete the structure. Repeat the above. Remove F0 and F0A primary nose structures, nose formers, propellers and its hub, washers and canopy former. Align the canopy former above the canopy. Paste F0 over F1, then paste F0A over the same F0. Now take that propeller hub and attach the blades into the slots provided with a little twist. Take out the secondary nose structures from the material. Bind the primary nose structures into the slots provided and align the same onto the nose former. Attach the secondary nose structures and complete the nose. Using a dowel, attach the propeller onto the fuselage and followed by which the nose structure has to be attached. Now that the horizontal stabilizer has been removed, it needs to be put into the aperture at the back of the keel. Next, in a separate slot supplied above the keel, the vertical stabilizer needs to be positioned. Remove the back landing gear wheels. Using a dowel, fix one wheel from one end, insert it into the back landing gear slot and align the next wheel from the other end to finish fuselage. Remove all the remaining wing parts from the material like ribs, spar, wing tips, leading and trailing edges. Align R1 in the slot next to the center, followed by which R2 has to be placed. Keep the slot after R2 vacant and skip to R3 and continue the same process till R6. Place R02 in the vacant slot between R2 and R3 and at the end attach the wing tips properly with R6. Attach the leading edge to the front of the ribs. Similarly, attach the trailing edge of the back end of the ribs to complete one side of the wings. For the other side, follow the same steps. Attach L2 in the gap between both L1 horizontally. Also attach T2 in the slot provided in both the R1 ribs vertically. Remove the main landing gear and its wheels along with its strut. Sandwich a pair of landing gear wheels and using a dowel fix it into the main landing gear from one end of the dowel and a small washer from the other end. Repeat the same procedure for the other landing gears too. Attach the landing gears to the slots provided in the wings. Align the fuselage into the wings with the slots provided in the keel and the center of the wings, and complete the attachment to have a completed Mustang P-51 model.